Hello, welcome to Hank's Make Your Mentor. My name is Ruth and I'm here to help you learn how to make. Part of that involves letting you know when Cricut Design Space has new updates. October 5th, 2021, Cricut released part of a new update. This is version 6.14 and it includes the following features. There's the Restore Brush, the Automatic Background Remover, the Profile Refresh, and then there's the bug fixes. We are going to break them all down. As soon as you get this update, you're going to have access to the Profile Refresh and the bug fixes. Within a few weeks of updating to version 6.14, you'll also gain access to the Automatic Background Remover and the Restore Brush. These are being rolled out slower just to make sure everything goes smoothly. To learn more, make sure you check out the video that I have linked above. I'm going to go through and show you how I'm updating my profile. Once you open up Design Space and you're on the home screen, you're going to click on this menu over here. And the very first thing you're going to see up here at the top is a profile picture, if you've uploaded one, your name, and then a link to view your profile. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. The first thing I'm going to do is add a profile picture by clicking on this little camera and then clicking Upload Image. This is the one I want to use, so I'm going to go ahead and click Open. And you can size it the way you want. I'm really happy with how it is. You can also replace it or remove it. It automatically is showing that I joined in June 2019, which is when I first created my Cricut account. I'm going to go into Edit Profile. Here you have a number of options. So this first one is Profile Visibility, whether it's public or private. It says your profile will be visible and searchable by other Cricut members in Design Space. By making your profile public, you agree to Cricut's terms of use. And then there's private is your profile and all your projects will be private. I'm going to leave mine public for now. You do need to have a profile name. It does not have to be your first and last name since it won't change the name on your account. So I'm going to type in Hank's Maker Mentor. You can type in an About Me description that is up to 350 characters. Your next option is location. You do need to have a country selected. Some of the features and availabilities on Design Space are specific to your country. So if you change your country, it lets you know that it will restart Design Space to customize your experience. You can choose whether or not you show your location in your profile by just changing this toggle. If you want to show more information, like what state or province you're in, or what city, you can go ahead and share those as well. Your last setting is your Cricut member since date, and it's added automatically based on your account sign up date. You don't have to show the date either. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. If you've shared projects before, this is where you can see which ones you've shared. It lets you know how many followers you have and how many people you're following. So far, I don't see a way to change which colors you have in the background here. I really like the increased control Cricut is giving us about what information is shared, allowing us to adjust that based off of our comfort level. The other things you might notice right away, there are quite a few bug fixes included. If you've been having a bug with Design Space, go ahead and check out this list. I'm linking this page in the description below so that you can read the entire release notes if you're interested. Be sure to keep an eye out for my video talking about the Restore Brush and the Automatic Background Remover. Cricut might have found a way to convince me to pay for Cricut Access. Thanks so much for watching. I hope it was helpful to see the new update in Design Space. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. And until next time, bye.